Hello friends. Today I wanted to share some interesting data on Indian equity market, especially on small cap investment. Small cap as a sector, which primarily starts from 251st company of the BSE or NSE index, which can go up to 2000 or beyond. Fine. The market capitalization of small cap companies, which were 17 lakh crore in 2017, has gone to 92 lakh crore now, with 27% CAGR in the last 7 years, which is typically more than 5x. In the similar period, Nifty, that is the large cap, has gone by 14.5% and the mid cap by 21%. Average size of the small cap has become like what mid cap was there 5 years before. So the size has gone up substantially and the profitability has gone up really well. Why the structural change is happening is that India is having a lower interest rates, which helps the companies to borrow capital at a lower cost, and our GDPs are consistently growing. Most of the small cap companies, all the businesses have come into the formalization of the economy through GST, which is helping them, and they are all domestic oriented. So any external issues on the trade tariff war or any geopolitical tension will not have much impact on the domestic consumption, because domestically, if you see, people consume more, whether it is on automobiles, hotels, tourism, travels, home interiors, decoration, and domestic oriented businesses, which are doing really well. And they are, and with India being the largest populous country in the world, with young population, more than 65% being in the young population, our consumption is also helping the local economy to do well. So why I'm saying this now is that there is a cause of concern that many people fearing that the market valuation has gone up. They are especially saying that the PE of the price to earning of the some of the small cap companies have gone up. But rather than only looking at PE as a metric, they should look at price earning growth, so that what is the price they are paying for the earnings growth of the company. Once they have this metric, they will understand that they are paying price more for a company which is high on quality and which has got higher earnings growth potential also. And mutual fund managers are doing a great job because they have a wide range of stocks to consider. If you look at from 250 to 1000, they have 750. They have a filter. In that filter, they will drill down all the parameters to look at the corporate governance, look at the earnings visibility, look at uh, the fundamental need of the company. They will do all the due diligence, which is on internal auditing as well as through external auditing, and they will filter out also on the look a lot of parameters which are growth oriented and which can deliver much higher value, which is a very robust process, which only a bigger company can do, because it requires constant monitoring, constant data evaluation, and some of the companies also have a forensic audit and checks and balances in place, and they will make the entry and exit based on that, and they also have internal checks and balances to find any red flag associated with the company. All this they are doing with the benefit of adding value in an investor's portfolio. And as an investor, whenever you are planning in a investments based on small cap, think for long term, look for longer period, because our economy is transforming, and these small cap companies can do much better in the times to come, as already the growth is there, and many uh, IPOs, when they get listed, they will predominantly be in the small cap part of the market, based because of their size. And of course, the downside is also there in case of any adverse reaction, which Yeah, mutual fund will always help you to make a much informed decision because it is a collection of stocks without any concentrated portfolio in a single stock or a what particular sector. It is growth oriented and it is spread across some 15 to 20 sectors along with subsectors with a portfolio of more than 100 companies. So do look at domestic businesses and generate wealth in the long term. And there are wonderful ideas available in the small cap space, either in the mutual fund space or in the PMS or in the AIF. And depending on your risk profile and time to horizon, do connect with us. Thank you.